Uses and Gratifications Theory is a relevant theory that most people in our society may unconsciously be applying in themselves. This theory was first introduced in the 1940s when the scholars began questioning why media is being consumed by the public. This is where the effects of media to people are being discussed because it is a more of an audience or user-centered approach. People have their innate needs that they want to fulfill and satisfy, and this is where Uses and Gratifications Theory kicks in. It tackles how people utilizes media to attain their needs, and these needs are divided into 5, which are the cognitive, affective, personal integrative, social integrative, and tension-free needs. You can also say that this theory focuses on what people do to media rather than what media do to people, because it is centered on how audience use and choose a specific media tool to satisfy their needs. The good thing about this theory is that it focuses on 2 principles. First, it implies media users as active in their selection of the media they consume. This insinuates that most of the people are active users. However, others use media passively. That is why there is also a big disadvantage with that. The second principle is that people are aware of the reasons for selecting different media options. It indicates that audience know what they need, what they want, and why they choose a specific media. In the context of campaigns, if we utilize Uses and Gratifications Theory, we must make sure that we did a thorough research within this community. We must consider answering the questions, what do these people need, what situation they are in, and how do these people grasp and absorb the ideas we share to them. This way, we will be able to anchor our activities to the needs of the people, and we will be able to fulfill and satisfy their needs, thus getting their attention to participate in our campaign. If our target audience are students, then the best campaign will be something connected and related to academic. Knowing that they would benefit from it in an academic perspective, students will engage in this campaign. I think that this can be an effective persuasion tool if people are focused on just satisfying their needs and desires, because this theory emphasizes how media is goal-directed in a sense that people are motivated to consume media because of a specific need or desire that they want to fulfill. More so, there are a lot of factors to consider in the Uses and Gratifications Theory. People may have different backgrounds, beliefs, cultures, and perspectives, which also affects how they choose the right media for them. It should suit their preference, personality, and how it can satisfy their needs in order for them to be persuaded. In this theory, I can say that people are much more in control of media rather than media has in control of people. This can be seen as a positive thing, but it negates the essence and the power of media and how it should be an influence to people. It focuses on the selectivity of the people in the media content that they want and not considering any unintentional effects or impact it might give to them. Therefore, this theory results to a more subjective setting rather than the objective one. Nonetheless, Uses and Gratifications Theory is vital in a progressive society. More than just it explaining how people are being satisfied with using media, it also shows how people in the society chooses a media tool and takes into consideration a lot of things, which implies that people in the society are thinker users. It is important that we, as development communicators, be able to always assess and evaluate the community that we want to start a campaign with. This is to ensure that the campaign we will be conducting will be effective and beneficial to the masses.